Have you ever wondered if AI could build an entire website for you in seconds? Not just a design, but a real website with text, images, and structure already done. Well, today, we're putting that idea to the test.
Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom in.
Today, we're looking at a tool called Durable AI. The idea behind Durable is simple. Instead of spending hours designing a website, writing content, and organizing everything yourself, you just type one prompt describing your business, and the AI builds the entire website for you. So let's see how it works. First, you enter what kind of business you want. For example, let's say digital marketing agency. Within seconds, the AI generates a full website. We're talking about a homepage, services section, testimonials, contact page, and even images that match the business. And the surprising part is that the layout actually looks pretty professional. Instead of starting from a blank page, you instantly get a complete structure that you can edit and customize. You can change the text, adjust sections, replace images, or add new pages. Everything is generated automatically, but you still have control over the final result. What makes tools like Durable interesting is how much time they save. Normally, building a website means choosing a template, writing all the content, organizing sections, and designing the layout. That process can easily take hours or even days. Here, it takes about 30 seconds. Of course, it's not perfect. AI-generated content sometimes needs editing, especially if you want something more unique or brand-specific. But as a starting point, it's surprisingly solid. For freelancers, small businesses, or people who just want a quick online presence, this kind of tool can be extremely useful. Instead of worrying about the technical side of building a website, you can focus on improving the content and making it your own. And this is part of a bigger trend we're seeing with AI. More and more tools are removing the technical barriers that used to slow people down. Things that once required coding, design skills, or hours of setup can now be done with a single prompt. So the real question isn't whether AI can build websites, it's how good these AI-generated websites will become over the next few years. But for now, tools like Durable are already making the process much faster, and that's something worth paying attention to. If you enjoy discovering new AI tools like this, make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns. And as always, this is AI Scope. No hype, just real insights.